this morning? Cheesy eggs. Waiting for Uncle Micah and Connor. We're going to take Connor to get his first bird this morning. We are rolling, what's the date today? The 12th of May. And it is time for Connor. Where's Connor at? I can't even see Connor back there.
Connor, can you move forward a little?
There's Connor. That light's a little bright for him. There he is, and we got Cedar over here. Yep. So we are heading to get these kiddos a turkey, and it's Connor's very first year to hunt. So he's hunting turkeys today, and we're gonna hopefully knock one dead with him. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's been so excited for turkey hunting for a long time, and we've been excited to try to get him one. Right, Micah?
You bet.
Micah's gonna sleep on the way down.
We'll see. I'm kind of excited too, so maybe I won't.
Yeah. Alright, so we just got out of the truck. I looked in a tree. We've got his turkey. Mike is gonna check and see if it's a gobbler. I don't think it is. I think it's a hen, but there's a bird right here in this tree. Yeah, it's a hen. Follow him, take it all safe. Is it all safe? Hurry. Once it clears that brush, take it. Stop. Alright, Micah, what happened there?
Well, I think they snuck up on us.
Yeah, that they did.
We weren't quite ready, I don't think, so.
Yep.
Try harder next time.
Yep. Alright, we found us another big bird, and we're gonna try to get on him. He's a really nice bird. What happened there, Micah?
Well, he gave us a slip. We were 2 minutes too late.
Yeah, that's about it. 2 minutes.
So
He was answering us.
Saw his fan over the rise and tried to get in front of him, and by the time we got there, he was across the creek. So
yeah, he was answering us though. So
yep,
it was
he'll
fun.
Be here again.
Yep, he'll be here again.
We located more birds and set up in several different areas, but we just could not get things to work in our favor.
Connor, what happened there, dude?
So we were laying on the ground waiting for these like 4 turkeys to come, but they never came. So then we heard three turkeys fly into a tree. So my dad says, "There's a turkey in the tree." So I turn around slowly while we're just focusing on that for a couple of minutes. My dad turns around and there's like 20 turkeys walking behind us.
Yeah.
But by the time we turn around, they're already gone.
We made one last-ditch effort in an evening hunt, and the tables finally turned. Miraculously, from about 300 yards out, this gobbler made his way down the edge of the field to position himself directly in front of Connor's gun.
Can you see him? Nope. He's about to come out here. He's almost to the wooden fence post. The first wooden fence post. Okay. Remember, just put your finger on the trigger. Just squeeze. Get it up there. Here he comes. When? Get ready. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Take him. Smoked him. Take him. Take him.
Look at that sucker, would ya? Oh, buddy. What's the matter?
I've just been missing all the other ones. I only got one.
Did you like it? You probably don't ever want to do it again, do you?